Hi, this is Candace with the BN for Autism Association, and we're back again with another quick video of something we think you'll find as helpful as we do. It's a visual schedule or a picture schedule. I'm sure you've heard of them, but we actually were searching for the right one, and guess where we found ours? Amazon.com. And this is actually by, I think it's Autism Help Today. So if you search that, you'll find it. It comes with 2 boards, which is, we find plenty, but you could buy 2 sets. And these strips that you put on that are Velcro. And it comes with 80 pictures, 80 of these little pictures that you cut out. Now, you take each one of these, and it comes with one of these little Velcro strips. You pull it off and place it on the back, and that's it. It sticks on the board. So we're gonna do our board for tomorrow morning. So for example, she's gonna come in, and we are homeschooling this year with kindergarten, 30 years after I did it with my daughters for our princess, our granddaughter now. So we're gonna start with circle time. And then we went to a restaurant the other day, but this time we're going to be cooking. She's gonna be coming in a little later tomorrow, so cooking. And then we always add that because it's a great interactive time. And then we're gonna be cooking a lunch. And then she's gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna have reading time. And these are all on the to-do side. The other side says done. And then she's gonna be doing her writing. We're gonna have a break time. And then a field trip. And then of course she's gonna go home, as much as we'll miss her, to mom and dad's house. So literally, she comes in now after about 8 weeks of owning this. We've got it on the wall with double stick tape, so it's user-friendly to remove. Where she can reach it, she runs right to it to see what's gonna happen for the day, because when you're dealing with children on the spectrum, surprises are never a good idea. So knowing what her day is gonna look like is incredibly grounding and helpful to her, helps to center and calm her, and it will your child as well. So she comes over now and runs to it, looks at it, and after she completes each activity, she feels even more successful by running over to the board, taking these herself, and taking it from the to-do side to the done side. Easy breezy to put all of this together, and literally it's super accessible on Amazon.com. So I hope you find this a bit helpful. If you've not done it before, give it a shot. I think you're gonna find it a helpful, easy tool to add to your day. And again, if it helps your child, it helps you. So please join us at www.bnforautism.com or at our meetup group. Please join us. We have support groups once or twice a month, as well as our Instagram or Facebook page. Please join us. We have helpful resources. We're here for you, and we're better always together in this journey than we are when we walk it alone. So hope to see you next time or at one of our meetup groups. Bye for now.